Got one. Oh, now he's gonna get. Look. Oh, right here, right on top. What was that? Right there. Got one on the other side. If I could bring this one in. Oh, that's a nice one. We got the first one. First little guy. Let him go. Got another one on that side over there. Oh man, right here. Oh, Snook just swung. Let me just take a couple more casts and I'm gonna go switch to the jig because this one's a little on the little light side. I'm gonna get something a little bit heavy. Got one. Might need to go get something a little bit heavier, but this is working for now. Just so I can get into that middle. Another little one right here. Another little one. Let him go. Yeah. Got one. Got one right here. Got one. Yeah. Another one. Another one right here. There's that guy. See if we can catch something with the heavier jig. Got one. It's a better one. Oh yeah, it's a better one. This was fighting. Oh, this one's fighting. Oh no, haven't had a nice fight like this in a minute. Under 2,500. Oh man. Little Snook whooping. Who do you think he is? Little Snook doing something, huh? Oh, this is a nice one. Harrison, I'm a size 11. Alright, well, let's let this guy go. Got one. That's another nice one. Just had to come over here, switch up the angle, you know. That's an alright one right there. I don't know if I want to flip. Look, they're eating. And that's what I'm doing.
Why would you do that? Why would you do any of that?
Smacking the bait. It's a white bait. Oh, they're biting down there. got one. Oh. Yeah, they're biting down there. Gotta fish that float too. Oh, right here. Right on top. What was that? Oh, what is that? Oh, he dropped it, whatever that was. Got one. One came off. Got one. Ooh, little heavy sucker. Another one right here. Got one. Nice little baby. Nice little baby. Seems like there's a bunch of babies right here on this that hit on top, but can't catch them all. Got one. Right here in the boat, in the boil. It's a little one. I haven't seen it yet, but it feels like a little one. Oh, I lied. Ah, come on. Oh, big jack. Got one. Oh, come on. Yeah, I still want to know what kind of fish that's. See, look, something big got it now. Whatever that is big. That's gotta be a jack. The way this is fighting, gotta be a jack. This is pulling. Huh. I don't know what this is, but this is pulling. This gotta be a jack. Oh, it's coming up, it's coming up. Oh, it's snook. Nice snook then. Oh yeah, that's a better snook. Oh, he swallowed it. I might be through, boys. I might be cooked. I might be cooked, boys. I might be cooked, boys. I might be cooked. He swallowed it. Oh, he swallowed that, man. Let me see if I can get him out. I gotta watch out when they're like this. Try to keep his head outside of the water. Oh, man. So afraid. Alright, nice snook. It's way in there. I don't know if y'all can see it. Good thing I didn't get frayed off. Yeah, I just ripped it right off. I don't know if that was something or I spooked something. I feel like maybe I spooked it, whatever it was. Oh, it circled on it again? Whatever it is, it can be too interested because 2 tries and it couldn't get it.
Gotcha, bitch!
Got him that time. Got him that time. Guess he was interested. Strong. Little dude strong. Oh, come on. Oh, he's rubbing off on it. Damn, so many fish today is a little strong. Let's let this guy go. There he goes. Much commotion over here. Oh, the other fish are probably scared now. Maybe not. Or maybe not. Another one. If they wasn't scared before, they might be now. Oh, another one. That one didn't get it though. Jeez. I gotta see if I'm able to cast at that angle, cause man, seems like they're coming all up from all the way up in there. That one. That one. Oh, man, I'm putting a hurting on them today. Another one. I wonder if there's another one there. I got 3 at this spot. Oh man, that's a better one too. That's a nice one. putting a hurting on them. Got one. As soon as it landed in there too. That's little bass. Oh, I missed them. I don't know what it was. Tarpon. Oh, that was a tarpon. I hope I got that on video. Oh, another one. Just how I like them, but there's no jig. So somebody left the jig up for me right there. I'll make sure to thank him. Got one. Got one. Just like that first cast. Oh, that's a nice one too. That's a nice one. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. I'm recording? Yeah, I'm recording. It's a big one, bro. Oh, now he's gonna get some strength. Don't do that. Oh, I'm gonna lose him. Oh, ooh, too much of an angle right here. Oh, under 30. I'm getting on him. I'm getting on him. Oh, oh, I'm gonna lose him. So I need to get rid of these small setups. Oh, come on. I need to get rid of these small setups, man. Oh, so you gain a little bit and he takes it right back. Oh, the small setups gotta go. Oh yeah, he's a chunky one. Chunky one. Oh, he's a chunky one. I need to get him. I need to get him. I need to get him. Swallow that shit. He's a good one. Biggest one of the day, for sure. For sure. It's not. Tunnel can't catch no fish. Maybe this way. Got one. Got one. What is this? Everything's pulling drag today, man. Inside the tunnel. Oh, that's a nice snook. Nice snook from inside the tunnel. Nice snook. Oh, stud. Stud. Under 2,500. Man, that snook was just hiding in there. That snook was just fucking hiding in there, bro. Right there. Nice snook. Right there.